It's the beginning of August, so that means it is time for my Ipsy and Boxy charm and all that jazz. So I have the box in front of me right now. I'm going to move it in a second, but I was sent this for free. I am affiliated with Ipsy and Boxy Charm. They send me these items for free. I just got to post about them and not paid to talk about them, blah, blah, blah. You get the gist. If you're interested in signing up for any of the tiers, I'll have everything listed down below. But this month is August, and this is a bag, the Boxy Charm, and the icon box. So very excited. I did already open this and I already looked at it because I was very sad the last couple days, and this was a pick-me-up. So let's start with the smallest and work our way up to the icon box. So the theme this month is Return to the Wild. It says restorative skincare, earthy colors, mindful practices. Whether it's hatching new goals or refocusing at work or school, it's time to root yourself in a new uplifting routine that realigns with your purpose. Alright, so this is the bag that we got. I feel like Ipsy has done a bag like this before, but maybe I'm just thinking of something else. I know that there's a few products in here that I'm not going to be using, so anything I know that I won't use will go into my ever-growing giveaway pile because I still can't hit 10K on TikTok. First is the Korres Poreless Skin Cream. So it's a poreless skin cream. I honestly don't know too much about Korres. I know they're Greek, and I'm pretty sure I'm saying the name wrong. And off the top of my head, I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty-free, but if it is, I will give it a try. If not, it'll go into my pile to give away. And then we got a mini benefit mascara. This is actually their brand new mascara that they just launched called FanFest. I don't buy Benefit because they aren't cruelty free, so this will also be in a giveaway. This is the Memoir Archives body lotion in vanilla frosting. I honestly am not a big lotion fan, but I am a sucker for vanilla lotions, so I'm gonna give this a try. And we have another brow gel from Give Them Lala. I don't know about you, but I am so sick of getting brow gels in these boxes. I have like, I swear, 10 brow gels that I'm not using because I just keep getting them. So next item is a palette from Farrah Beauty, Farrah Brushes. It's one of the two. It is the Sunkissed Bronze Quad, and it looks pretty, but I have no use for these tiny quads. Like, these are so tiny. Like, this is the mini mascara, and it's just super tiny. So this will be another thing that I for sure add into the giveaway pile. But moving on, let's go into the Boxy Charm part. First up is from Dew of the Gods. This is the Cucumber and Collagen Vitamin Salt Scrub. This is just an exfoliator, which I definitely need to find one that I like. I have not found one yet that I like, and hopefully this one works for me, hopefully. And we have from Murad the Environmental Shield Essential C Toner. I honestly don't know that much about Murad. I know it's a very popular skincare brand, but I don't know. I will look up to see if they are cruelty-free though, and then I'll determine what I'm going to do with that. And from Estate Beauty, we have the Most Wanted Liquid Lip Balm in the shade Priority. I will probably give this a try when I do my makeup. And we have a blush from Anastasia. This is Pink Dahlia in their stick blush. I really enjoy Anastasia products. Big fan. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. I will definitely be trying this when I do my makeup. And then the last thing in the Boxy Charm box is a palette. This is Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams. It's pretty much a neutral palette. It gives me very modern Renaissance vibes, which I don't have that palette anymore because it was super old and it irritated my eyes. But this one looks promising. Have I tried Violet Voss before? I don't remember, but hopefully it's good. So with that, we'll move on to the last box, which is the icon box. I'm not gonna lie, I opened this and I'm not as impressed with my box as some of the other boxes people received. I think I saw somebody received like a full size, like one of the $65 size Natasha Denona palettes, but it is what it is. So right off the bat, we have a sponge set. This is an SL Miss Glam. How are you supposed to say that? There's a trio. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this because I have a ton, and I mean a ton of sponges. I don't think I really need anything new. And this is the Aloe Glow System Magnesium Reset Spray. So it's clean beauty. It has all these claims of what it doesn't include. It's vegan, it's cruelty free. I'll definitely give this a try, why not? Alright, and then we have the Amika The Cure Multitask Repair Treatment. I do really like Amika hair care line, so I am interested to see how this works for my hair. It says restore hair from the breaking point, which is a bold claim. My hair isn't necessarily at the breaking point, but it's not as healthy as it should be, but it is better than it was. And next we have the Joanna Vargas Skincare Magic Serum. I have never heard of this brand before. It doesn't say if it's cruelty free or anything, but it's supposed to soothe and strengthen and support skin radiance, so interesting. I will have to look into this brand. I thought this was very exciting. We have a product from Lawless. I have been so intrigued by Lawless. This is the Forget the Filler Lip Plumpin' Line Smoothing Gloss in the shade Rosy Outlook. This is supposed to be colored. It's very lightly colored. Oh, it smells like a hair care product I've used before. Weird. But I'm very excited to try that. And from Wander Beauty, we have the Skyline Duo Automatic Gel Eyeliner Set. And it comes with just a black and a tan. I have so many black and brown eyeliners. It's ridiculous. And this is a Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. It says 2 mascaras in 1 for volume and curl plus length. Volume plus curl and length. Weird. I haven't tried Huda Beauty. I think they are cruelty-free thing, so I will double check that, but I think I've seen cruelty-free YouTubers use Huda Beauty. And then the last item in the box is the Toy Factory Sunset Squalene Powder Blush. This comes with 4 blush shades. They look very pretty. I haven't tried anything from the Toy Factory other than their brushes, so I am excited to try their actual makeup product. So that is everything in the icon box, and that wraps up everything else. So I am going to, at some point in the next couple days, film a video where I try on these products, and that'll be what comes next. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. skies fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.